What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the quarterly earnings report that ADMA Biologics stock just announced. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. Earnings season continues in full force with a ton of big companies reporting earnings this week, and ADMA Biologics just released their earnings after the close on Wednesday. We last talked about ADMA Biologics here on my channel about a month ago, and since that time, ADMA Biologics share price has seen a ton of volatility along with the broader stock market. So how were the earnings that ADMA Biologics just announced? In their earnings report, ADMA Biologics announced some great progress so far in 2021, with CEO Adam Grossman stating that ADMA has successfully transformed its business in the early months of 2021, and in doing so has set the stage for what the company expects to be a strong year of growth and achievement, generating record quarterly revenue of $16 million, a 57% increase year over year. In addition to its revenue growth, ADMA Biologics also strengthened its supply chain during the first quarter of 2021, making significant progress toward its objective to establish end-to-end control of its production operations. With the FDA approval of the company's IVIG production scale expansion expected to increase total manufacturing production capacity by up to 50% compared to the company's prior expectations. Despite these achievements in the first quarter, however, ADMA Biologics continues to lose money, reporting a net loss for the first quarter of 2021 of $18.4 million, although ADMA Biologics is showing improvement in profitability year over year, having posted a net loss of $19.2 million in the same quarter of 2020. And ADMA Biologics has been able to strengthen their balance sheet year over year as well, currently sitting with $62 million of cash and cash equivalents, as well as $15.4 million in accounts receivable on their balance sheet. Overall, the stock market has continued to be quite volatile this week, with the Dow Jones down today 680 points in its worst decline since January. And while ADMA Biologics has not been immune to this broader market volatility, selling off heavily over the past few weeks, here in after hours trading at the time of recording this video, we can see that ADMA Biologics is up about 2.4% on news of its earnings. Overall, after reviewing ADMA Biologics' press release, I feel that the company is continuing to show great promise for the future, and I'm looking forward to hearing what they have to say on the conference call whenever I have a chance to listen to that later. But with that said, although I do feel that ADMA Biologics has potential as a long-term investment, here in the short term, it is still a very small cap penny stock with a ton of speculation, currently with a market capitalization of around $205 million. So while I do believe that ADMA Biologics has potential as a long-term investment, it continues to be a very small investment in my overall portfolio. And right now, with the broader market volatility, I'm focusing on adding to some of my other long-term positions rather than picking up shares of these more small-cap penny stock speculative investments. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. An investment in ADMA Biologics, like an investment in any company, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in ADMA Biologics, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing in ADMA Biologics stock if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about ADMA Biologics? Are you invested in ADMA Biologics stock? Are you thinking about investing in this company? What do you think about the earnings that ADMA Biologics just announced? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone, have a great day.